Hi, my name is Anthony Parkinson from Ansell Lighting, and this is the Otto Evo LED. The Otto Evo is an architectural suspended linear, suitable for office, retail and educational applications. It has bi-directional light output as standard. The directional-only option can be selected if required. Installation of the Otto Evo has been a real focal point. We have improved the installation experience and install time. Specifically, we have added sliding mounting brackets, allowing the product to be suspended with a level of adaptability to suit the environment. Then we have the easily removable, specifically designed diffuser, allowing instant access to the internal components. When terminating, we have push-fit, loop-in, loop-out terminals, ensuring a fast and easy installation. All Otto Evo options are available with the integral CCT of either 3 and 4000 colour temperature. When suspending the Otto Evo, it comes complete with a 1.5 metre suspension kit as standard. It has 2 finishes available that are white and aluminium. The Otto Evo is available with several options including emergency, dimmable, microwave, Octo Smart Control and corridor function. The Octo Smart Control option allows the user to control the fitting from their smartphone or tablet, giving them the ability to increase or decrease the brightness, colour temperature, add in set timings and much more. When installing suspended linears, the Otto Evo doesn't restrict you to just straight line installations. You can quickly and easily join several fittings together to create a continuous linear luminaire. The Otto Evo also provides flexibility with corner accessories, allowing for fast installation as a square, L-shape, zigzagged or as a rectangle, making it ideal for several applications including meeting rooms, offices and reception areas. Then topping all this off is covered by a 5-year warranty as standard.